Nick's where?
Nick's behind you.
Shit. Oh shit! Hit. I thought it was behind you.
Hit. Damn.
I think I was gonna let that one pass up. We gotta cover Joe.
Alright, no. Josh is over here. They're running. I think Josh is over here. I'll see if I can get him. Hit you? Hell yeah. Where'd I hit you?
Top of my head. Watch.
No, I got Nick. Oh, he got me. What, me running?
No, you getting Nick forward.
Oh, you said we had to get each other soon, so.
Oh, yeah, but.
Oh, whatever, I don't care.
I was talking about so we wouldn't get you.
I don't have any big trees to move up to. Or not, never mind.
Yeah, switch momentum.
Oh, hit! Bastard. Yep. Oh. Kill him. Yeah, nice. Ugh. All right. Oh, they're all over there.
I made a freaking Johnny coming. I got hit by Kyle. Kyle was hit by Josh. So it's a giant tree.
Where is he?
Yeah, I don't know, Josh. Where is he?
Fuck you. What the hell?
Go get him. You can do it, Tiger.
Where the fuck is he?
Come tag us.
Will he be able to see me if I tag you? Oh shit! Ow! Ow! Hit! Ow! Fuck! You fucking ass!
I couldn't tell you. It was too big.
Oh, I got hit like 8 times.
I'm sorry.
Oh, fuck my wiener!
Shield.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh!
Wait, are you? Can
Wait,
I tag you?
Tag him.
Fuck, that hurt so bad. Oh, fuck! Jesus. Fuck.
He was right behind me and about to tag you. Did I hit you? Or him?
No, you hit me like 18 times!
Kyle was already out. I was already out. And then Nick was coming to tag me. Like, but he hid behind me.
Kyle, you just
lit him up.
I was used as a human shield.